I get questions every single day from people asking me, how do I copy trade? How can I find some top meme coin traders that have really just been active in the market, that are making a lot of money, that have a high win rate, and that I can actually deep dive and analyze their trades to see, are they a profitable copy trading target? I'm going to be using Dexscreener in today's video to actually show you multiple different ways that you're able to find. There's multiple different ways. There's also multiple different tools that I'll use, and I'll be showing you all throughout today's video, especially even using Dexscreener's filter function, because that's really, really easy and really, really essential to this overall strategy. So if you do enjoy today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe because it does support the channel. Right now, we'll actually jump into the beginning here on Dexscreener on the home page. One thing I always do is select Solana. Make sure you have selected Solana because it interacts perfectly with all the different tools that I'll be showing you later on in the video. Firstly, I really do focus on this filters section. This is really the cream of the crop. Really where I focus on is this filters section for Dexscreener. They have a fantastic section here where I'll begin by actually putting in the minimum market cap of 250,000, maximum market cap of 50 million. Overall, I do find the sweet spot for meme coins to be around 2 million to 5 million because that actually gives us a really good multiple, especially if we're able to find these coins early at this market cap with some overall general momentum. We can then get in super early and have those 20, 25, even 30x gain potentials. So really want to be focusing on those type of coins around that 2 to 5 million. Also, pair age is really important. So I'll actually put 3 hours for the minimum. So I don't want to be seeing coins that are literally just created 30 minutes ago, an hour ago. And then I'll be focusing on pair age of coins that are created a maximum of 240 hours, which is actually 10 days. So don't want to be looking at coins that have been made months and months ago, because with this strategy, we'll potentially be finding traders that made a lot of money many months ago, but actually might not be active right now in the market. So this ensures that we're finding coins that are essentially active. Overall, 24-hour volume is really, really good. We can put in something like 500,000 minimum of 24-hour volume. Again, just to make sure that this coin is one of those more trending coins. It's having a lot of people come into the market. There's a lot of buys, there's a lot of sells, there's a lot of overall action in this coin. And also, I like to put in 5-minute volume. It's something like 30,000. Again, just to ensure that this is a trending coin for the overall volume. So once we've got all these settings in, we've got Solana, hit apply. And now we have this list of coins. You can see it's 17 coins right now that fit those specific filters that I've added in. There's 2 ways that I do like to filter for these. So now we can click on market cap and go from the highest market cap down. That's sort of an ABC way to do it. And then we also have volume, which is one of the best ways and my favorite way to do it, going by volume. And now we can actually see all the top volume coins. So this coin actually is at an 8 million market cap currently, but has nearly $80 million in volume. This one, 3.5 million market cap, but $46 million in volume. This one, 24 million in volume. And as I said, we're sort of looking for that sweet spot of coins. But overall, we're not going to be manually trading them. We're going to be using a strategy to now find some of these top meme coin traders. So what I'd do is I'd open up, let's say, the top 3 or top 4. That would give us enough to actually go through and deep dive into all of these traders. So we can begin. I'll show you the first way is actually just by coming to this bottom section where you see the transactions. We can come over to top traders. This is really, really important because we'll be able to find the top traders for this coin. So we'll just drag this up to see it better. We can see how much they bought for, how much they sold for, and right now we're being filtered for top profit and loss. So over 200,000, then 163, 158, 123. The most important thing that we do need to look for in this strategy using these top traders is how many buys are they taking, how many sells are they taking. So this guy has perfect buy, 1 buy, but overall 127 sells. With our copy trading software, it's going to be really, really hard to actually copy trade a target that's selling multiple times in a minute, multiple times every 2 minutes, because With our software, not only do we need to track the trader, see when he's taking the trade, then activate our own trade, then we need to wait for the Solana blockchain to actually take our transaction and for the liquidity to be met on the overall decentralized exchange, and then the trade will be executed. So there's a small amount of time in between all of this. So we don't want to be seeing somebody that's trading, every couple of seconds. There's not enough time in the trades to be able to effectively copy trade a target. So there's something that I've shown you many previous videos and also in my copy trading masterclass. Actually scroll down here. Let's find one. Okay, something like 10 transaction, 3 buys is pretty good. Even someone like this, he's got 1 buy and 6 sells. That would sort of be the perfect ratio. What we could even do using this strategy is actually on this right hand side. If you click on T, X, and S, we'll actually be able to see all of his transactions on the chart. So we can scroll down and see, okay, this trader actually bought right here, basically literally as soon as the coin launched on Radium. Then he actually sold multiple times. So he sold at 7.57, 57, 59, 59, 59, and 8. So there we go. We can see he's actually sold basically 1, 2, 3, 6 times in a super short amount of time. It's actually going to make it a little bit hard to copy trade this type of trader. From there, if we did want to track this trader, what we'd now do, back to this original screen, we can then click on EXP. What this will do will take us over to SolScan, where I'm now able to grab the trader's address. So I'll now copy this to clipboard. Now I'm going to head over into Telegram. Going to be using TradeWiz bot. This is a Telegram trading bot. I'll leave the link in the video description. So you actually get 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees, and you get free access to all of the features I'm actually going to be showing you in today's video. So now that we've got a trader's address, come over to menu, come over to address analysis. We've got the address, paste it in the bottom chat section, hit send, and now we can analyze this particular trader. Unfortunately, look, he's actually down $60,000 in the last 7 days, 45% win rate, traded over 700 times, single buy amount over $2,000. You can actually go to the last 30 days and see, okay, how much is he up in the last 30 days? Actually, in the last 30 days, he's up over 258,000. Basically a 50% win rate, traded over 2,000 times, average buy amount over 3,000. We can see some really good statistics, like how many times they're buying, how many times they're selling, what's the average trade duration. Overall, there are a few trades here that is quite short. We've got 10 seconds right here. We've also got a couple of other short ones and a lot of quite big trades, like one buy and 18 sells. That's quite a large amount of trades on just one particular coin, but I would need to deep dive more into this trader. Once I've found that this trader's any good, there are a few other tools that I do show you in my copy trading masterclass that I just released over this Christmas period, and you're able to deep dive, analyze all the trades like I've shown you just before, how you can actually populate them onto Dexscreener. You can go through each and every single one of these trades and do the same thing, populate it into Dexscreener, analyze all the trades. So then from there, you can make your best decision. There's also other things that we need to do, like deep dive further and find what type of market cap coins they're buying, because then that would change our overall copy trading settings. So if they're buying high market cap coins, we can actually get away with a really low slippage, maybe 10, 12, 15%, because we won't need enough slippage because they're buying much higher market cap coins. If they're buying on Pump Fund and potentially buying 30,000 market cap, 60,000 market cap coins, then we will need to increase our slippage 25, 30, even 35% to overall enter into these trades. So that will determine and overall change a lot of the settings that we will use. If they're trading larger market cap coins, I'll put in a minimum market cap, all these types of things. It might even determine how much I'm willing to risk with the particular trader. Overall, with a trader that's more profitable, has a higher win rate, has a smaller single buy, has a high profit and loss, with those types of traders, I'd be willing to actually allocate more. But with someone that only has a 20% win rate, is quite volatile, but still makes money, then I probably would only allocate less to that particular trader because they're more volatile. I'd actually allocate more to someone that's more consistent. Another thing that we can do, come over back to this particular coin. So rather than using the feature that's shown with the Dexscreener automatically, we'll actually come over and grab the contract address for this particular coin. Once we've got that, come back over to TradeWiz and we'll come use the menu. Now, rather than address analysis like we just used, we can use smart money because we're going to be analyzing a whole token. And now it's going to send us all the top wallets that have made money on this token. So some traders up more than 100,000, 60,000, 40,000. So we can now analyze. And all we need to do to analyze is just click on the wallet. TradeWiz will do everything like populate the trade. So here in the last 7 days, he's up 184,000, nearly 52% win rate, traded 130 times, averaged by $3,000. Something that I like about this trader is that just like one buy, one sell, two buys, one sell, one buy, one buy, one sell, one buy. This is really, really good. Overall, I would now, with a trader like this, even 14 minutes, perfect, 5 minutes, see 34 seconds. So need to analyze and deep dive into some of these trades. I'd actually grab his wallet address, copy all of these different tokens, and then analyze the trades. We'll go over the last 30 days and see, okay, they've made even more money, 40% win rate, traded 680 times, which is actually really good. So over the last 30 days, they're basically taking 20 trades a day, which is really, really good. And a single buy amount. It's actually fantastic. And we can go through each of the trades. Now, if we were ready to copy trade, I've shown you many, many videos. All we'd need to do is come down to this bottom right-hand section, hit create copy trading, and then it'd be really, really easy to now begin copy trading this trader. All those different settings, as I've shown you many, many videos, so we don't need to deep dive in all the specific settings. Then we hit create, and we're now copy trading some really good meme coin traders. There's many ways to actually go ahead and find the traders. These are just two that are really useful and you can do completely for free every single day. There's many, many other ways, even premium ways that I've shown you in my copy trading masterclass course. So if you are interested, I'll leave all the links to that, and make sure to check out TradeWiz for that extra 10% off all of your meme coin fees and access to all of these cool features. So if you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.